Hey guys, I just thought I'd do a update on the Redneck Railroad. This stage that I'm at right now is something I've been putting off for over a year because I had the trains running that and I knew I was going to have to take the trains off when we got into this. We're putting the groundwork in finally, which means clearing the area you're working on because it makes a big mess. And sometimes it seems like you take 3 steps forward and 2 steps back, but once the groundwork is in, then the buildings can be placed and where they're going to be. And I still won't be gluing the buildings in because then I can start taking each building one at a time and weathering it and making it what I want and putting it in. But this is a long process. This isn't for me, this is not the fun part. This is the foundation. So Sandra doesn't seem to mind, but I'd rather have the trains running than that. You can't ballast the track and put the ground covering down and all that kind of stuff with stuff in the way. I was afraid of the trains getting messed up, so I knew they were going to have to come off. But so that's where this is, and once this is done, there should be, it should start taking the form that I want it to look like and stuff like that. But this has got to be done. Just been putting it off. Like I said, once this stuff is in, then it should start coming together. So that's a short update on this, and I'll throw some kitty and dog video on the end of this. Some of you guys seem to like those, and we'll be back out in the garage here pretty quick. We're talking about which cars are going to be which car is going to be pulled in for the winter, and we're going to concentrate on one car and try to get it done. And you'll hear some more on that when we get out there and get started. So, see y'all later. Thanks for watching. You're gonna get stuck. You're not supposed to be back there. Come here. Come here. I can see you. Come here. Tigger, come here. Come on. Come on. I see you. Come here. Tigger. Come here. Come here. Come here, cat. No, I'm not going to give you the cat. Go get her. Go on. I ain't helping you. Go ahead. Get her, wimp. He's done. He just went over and laid down.
Yeah.